Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unveiling the BOXYCHARM subscription for the month of April. I actually got it pretty early this month, which I'm excited about, and I actually already took a sneak peek at the items in this box because I was too excited to find out which of the shades of highlighter I was going to get and which of the shades, which of the palettes, the eyeshadow palettes I was gonna get. This month we got Dr. BRANDT Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I actually tried this the other day. I will insert the clip here. I wasn't a big fan of this mask the first time around. It has a very medicinal smell, if that makes sense. Like it smells like a doctor definitely prescribed it to you. It dries down really fast and it kind of makes your face a little like hard. I don't know if that makes sense, but I didn't see any visible like crazy changes. I'm not sure exactly if it did what it was supposed to do. It doesn't really say what it's supposed to do. It just kind of says pore purifying mask. It didn't really extract any of my blackheads or open up my pores. It just kind of sat on my face. The second item I got this month is the brow gel from Tanya Crooks, and it is a tinted brow gel with microfibers. It is in the shade Light Hair 3. This is what it looks like. I actually opened this and I'm gonna just apply a little bit right here so you guys can see the shade. As you guys can see, it's not really a color that matches my eyebrows a lot, but I think I would use this more of on top of the product that I already use, whether it's powder or gel, just to kind of have everything stay in place. I'm actually gonna do that right now. I don't really see any color going on to my eyebrows with this so much. I'm not really sure that this shade is something that necessarily works for me. I think this would be great for somebody more blonde, like with natural blonde eyebrows, but mine are very dark and I like them to be dark. So this is just, if anything, lightening them up but making them kind of look grayish in a way, and sort of taking away the product that I already put beforehand. So far, first impression, this is just gonna be a for me. I don't know. We'll have to play around with it a little bit more. The third item in our box, it's the ADESSE New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade, I don't know. It does not say. I can't for the love of God tell what shade this is, but we're just gonna swatch it. It's really pretty and it's very creamy. Definitely a pretty color. I actually have something very similar to this in the Kylie Cosmetics. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so this one right here is the one that came in the BOXYCHARM subscription. This one right here is the shade Commando from the Kylie Cosmetics Take Me on Vacation palette. And this one right here is the Maybelline Vivid Hot in the shade Charmer. Coincidentally, I am a BOXYCHARMer. So they're not exactly the same, but it's sort of that nude glossy family. The fourth item is the TARTEIST Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Stunner. This is what it looks like. And last but not least, we got the palette from ColourPop, Element of Surprise. So excited. It's so beautiful. Packaging is beautiful, you guys, though. And it's got the shade names in the back. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Oh, look at those shades. I actually want to swatch a few right now. This is a matte shimmery shade. Ooh, do you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Now, I will say, I don't know if it's because they made these like out of great volume. I also do know that ColourPop Cosmetics, this is actually the first palette of them that I own, but I do know that they're more on the cheaper side than a lot of these obviously high-end cosmetics. Does not mean that their quality is not good. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but some of their shades, I don't know, they're like extremely packed in there to the point where I feel like it's gonna have a lot of fallout. Like even just the one that I swatched, you can already tell it's got some major fallout like around it. Okay, the other color I want, oh, and that color that I swatched right here, this is Sea Stars. And I'm gonna swatch the one right next to it, which is Blank Canvas. Oh, that went on like butter, like butter. Like that was kind of hot. I'm in shock because I love colors when they're so pigmented, like these shimmer colors when they're really pigmented, but when they just slide on, oh my god, they're just, yes. The vibrant pink one, it's called Subdue. Do you see that? Do you see this? Do you see that? The pigment is sexy. That is a sexy pigment. Oh my god. I like don't even know where to start right now with this palette. I want to create so many looks with it right now. The last shade is Feels, and this palette is giving me feels. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Stick around and see what look I come up with. Before I start with the eyes, I'm going to try out this highlighter. I'm usually not a big fan of liquid highlighters, but this looked like a really pretty shade. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm gonna grab a brush. I'm gonna grab a small brush and we're just going to blend it out a little bit on my hand before we go and put it on our face. That might be a lot. That might have been way... That's a lot. I don't think I measured how bright and pigmented this was going to be. It's okay. It's nothing we can't just blend out. It does dry down really fast, so definitely try not to make this mistake. I'm gonna grab a beauty blender and just kind of brush I think was way too intense for this. I'm gonna try this other side with a beauty sponge. Like, it's not ugly, you guys. It's not ugly. It's just, you know, it's not, I don't know, it's not as easy to work with as I would have hoped it would be. Alright guys, so it is time for the eyes. I went already and I primed my eyelids with a little bit of the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. And I put a little bit of the Too Faced Ethereal Powder just to kind of blend everything down. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna take the shade Labyrinth from the palette and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this shade right here, go with the flow, and I'm gonna use that on my crease as a transition shade. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with that shade right here, Peace of Mind, and I'm going to lightly tap my brush into it, and I'm going to put that in the I'm going to put that in the crease of my eye, focusing more on the pigment being in the outer corner of my eye rather than the inner corner. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the shade Subdue, and I'm going to grab more of a packing sort of brush. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And the outer corner of my lid, leaving that space in the middle without anything. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little bit of concealer on a small brush. We're gonna put a little bit of concealer in the back of our hand. And we're just gonna put a little bit of concealer right here. We're gonna grab the shade Opulent, that sort of lavendery shade, and we're gonna put that right on top. Just like that. And why not? For the fun of it, we'll just also grab a little bit of that shade Rayon and put that on top as well. Okay. Then to ensure that it's all sort of blended together, we're gonna grab a smaller fluffy brush and we're gonna go back to that pink Subdue shade. We're gonna tap away, and we just wanna make sure that everything around just blends effortlessly and it doesn't look like this just harsh spot there. We're gonna go back to that first shade that we got, that we used to go with the flow, and make sure everything just blends. I actually really like how it looks. Now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, and I think for eyeliner today I kind of want to do something different, not black. I think I want to do something gold. Alright guys, I went ahead and I used for eyeliner the Maybelline Master Precise Ink Metallic in the shade Solar Gold. I'm gonna go ahead and put some black eyeliner in my waterline and some mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we went ahead and we put on some mascara and some lashes, we're going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of our eyes. I'll go ahead now and this feels so smooth and it smells really, really, really good. Alright guys, this is our finished look using all of the products in our subscription of BOXYCHARM for the month of April. I hope you guys like it. I think this look came out really nice. I went ahead and I popped some Huda lashes in the style Sasha. Anyways, if you guys like this video and you want to see more of these videos, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Much appreciated. If you guys would like for me to subscribe to your channels and check out some of your videos, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be more than happy to. I always love following new channels on YouTube and supporting the community. Especially when you're just starting out, it's the best way is to pay your dues, which is give what you'd want to get back. And in this case, it's subscribers, views, likes, etc. Anyways, thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate it very much, where you could have been doing anything else. And I hope that you guys come back and I see you soon. Bye.
Bitches wanna look like me. Wanna be in demand, get look like me. Wanna run up in the lab and cook like me. But ain't me and you hoes pussy good like me. Pussy so good as ex wanna still fight me. They so pretty, bitches wish they could slice me. She just mad cause he never bought a ice like me. I could all my niggas up, but they would still wife me. Right bitches tell they team make them like Barbie. Had to come off IG so they can't stalk me. All they do is copy, look, still music too. Want to see what bitches do when they lose